This is the ePortfolio for Rachel O'Reilly. So I split up my ePortfolio into two chunks. I have the complex case studies that we did in Dr. Chan's class, and I also have the foundational reviews that we did in Dr. Chan's class. I'll be using this ePortfolio to study for the NBCOTs, and I have this all minimized right now, but I'm going to go through and show you what's on it. So on this side right here, we have the complex case studies, and I chose to include these because I think that our classmates did a really good job and we could learn a lot from everything that they put into it. So if you just click this button right here, it will show all of the case studies that we've done throughout the semester. You can see there's a lot of information here from, interventions to just different things you could do with a client. There's a lot of information here. We did a lot of case studies, so that'll be really valuable when I'm studying for the NBCOT. As you can see, there's also a lot of pictures of textbook pages, and there's just a lot of diagrams and pictures to help me remember more. Yeah, there's a lot of information here for all the case studies. And then when I want to get rid of that, I can just minimize it again. Perfect. And over here on the other side, I kind of broke down everything that we've learned in the foundational review into categories that kind of made sense for me specifically. So I have the OTPF, models, types of reasoning, range of motion, strength and endurance, cognition, evaluation, treatment and intervention, assessing and optimizing abilities, vision, motor planning and performance, NBCOT exam prep, and then teaching and learning. So just like on the complex case studies side, I have everything minimized, but if you click out, you can see that it will turn into the bigger concept maps. And so I have a bunch of information from other students' concept maps and my concept maps over the years that I think is important. And I took all of that information and kind of compiled it into this concept map. I have like a bunch of concept maps for each section. As you can see, this is just like my compiled list. So I have one for each little section. Some are have more information than others because I'll go ahead and show you, minimize that. Under this NBCOT exam prep tab, I took my OTKE scores, and based on the scores, like the sections that I did the worst in, I put more information in my concept map and my ePortfolio on that kind of information. I think doing my ePortfolio this way, based on my weaknesses that the OTKE showed me, I think this is the best way to kind of prep for the NBCOT. Obviously I'm going to continue to study the things that I did really well in, but I need to really focus on some of the areas that I didn't do as strong. Like you can see, maybe assistive technology, like picking assistive technology, I could go and look under this tab right here, and it will go into everything that I could need for that. Overall, I'm just going to use this ePortfolio to guide my studying for the NBCOT. This isn't all of the information I'm going to need, but this is a very broad overview of everything that I could need, based especially on my OTKE results. So ePortfolio will serve as a guide more than a actual, like I'm not going to completely just study off of this, obviously. Here, I'll open all of the tabs so I can show you the complete map. Let's see here. hard to click. Hold on. We just keep scrolling. We can open all of the tabs and look at the complete map here. A couple more to open. Overall, this project just really helped me get organized and seeing, you know, just how much we've learned over the last couple of years and how we can use all of the resources that we've like acquired over the last couple of years to really help us study in the future. So there it is. So I'm going to zoom out, and that is my full ePortfolio. Woohoo!